Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to recording screen of the MacBook Air. Just to be honest with you, it kind of a little bit weird because I feel like I'm recording my own voice but I can hear myself through the headphone. So it's kind of like a little bit awkward. So the first thing we have to do is if you see spot like here, you just type QUICK time player, enter. Like we see on the right side, you can do either right click, then you click on new screen recording, right? It's gonna recording the screen of your MacBook. So let's see how it works. Oh, wait. Okay. You can try to click by here. You can try to do it as well. I'll just give you the example of how to recording and everything like that. So alright, it should be done. I will just right click from here and then you press stop screen recording.